When you want to cover huge acreages, the new 9 Series tractors will take your productivity to the next level. Available in wheeled, 2-track and 4-track versions, and power options up to 691 horsepower, they will pull even the largest implements with ease. Hydraulic capacity is equally impressive. The dual pump option delivers a flow rate of up to 416 litres per minute. And the 40% bigger charge pump maintains high flow hydraulics even at lower engine RPMs. When air seeding, the optional hydraulic intelligent power management can provide an additional 25 horsepower to seed up and over the largest hills and through the toughest spots. The brand new John Deere 14 engine excels in fuel efficiency, with the added bonus of significantly less maintenance and lower running costs. Uptime is unmatched too. Core components have been beefed up. Frame, engine, transmission, axles and undercarriages, hydraulics and electrics have all been upgraded with the latest high-tech materials and simplified wherever possible. Now add our exclusive John Deere Connected support technologies plus 2-year or 2,000-hour standard factory warranty with the option to extend for up to 8 years or 8,000 hours, and you have total peace of mind. When it comes to precision ag technologies, the new 9 Series is unbeatable. You'll enjoy industry-leading onboard systems and wirelessly connected off-board farm management solutions. Available free through the John Deere Operations Centre, they're constantly evolving. Throughout your ownership, you'll benefit from the latest innovative tools designed to help you go further with higher yields using less seed, chemicals and fertilizer. What's more, you and your operators will love the new cab. It makes hard work enjoyable. Built for big farming, the new 9 Series tractors are big on efficiency, big on connectivity, and big on innovation. Isn't it time the new 9 Series joined your team?